Now, how can we delete a particular element in the list? So that can be deleted by using a dot pop. So if I am giving the index 1, 0, we will start from 0. The 0th element is 1. The value of 1 will be deleted. Now if I am printing a, you can observe here the value 1 is not at all appearing because the 1 is deleted. This is how we can delete a particular element in the list by using a dot pop command. Now I am deleting the last program. For that I am giving the index -1. So the program is deleted. This is my new list. So we can give the index. Now I am giving the index 5, the fifth element, the index, the element at the fifth index. Means if we calculate, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3 plus 5j. The sixth element with the index 5, 3 plus 5j will be deleted. Now if I print a, the remaining list will be printed. This is how we will use a dot pop, and in the braces, in the open braces, we will give the index value. Then the corresponding element at that index will be deleted. Now what if we want to delete more than one element? A dot pop command will not allow us to delete more than one element simultaneously. So we will have another option called del. If I write del of a, I want to delete first to 2. So now you can observe here the index that is starting from 1 and that should end at 2. We are telling delete the elements starting from index 1. The index 1 is started at 3 and ending at 2. The element in the second index will not be deleted. Now we will check with the new a. Now we want 2 elements to be deleted. 2 to be, we want to delete 2 and we want to delete 1.6. How we can do this? So I am writing del a of 0 to 2. I am writing 0 to 2. I am writing. Then the elements 2 and 1.6 will be deleted. Now we will check. Yes, 2 and 1.6 are deleted, and the element in the index 2 will not be deleted until 2 you delete. We are giving that command. Whenever we are giving 2, it means you only delete until the second element, but do not delete the element in the index 2. Now we are telling to delete the elements. I want to delete the last 2 elements. So I am writing -3 to -1. So here now I have mentioned, okay, -3 to -1 I have mentioned. Instead of that, I have to mention -3 because -1 will not be deleted. Okay, now I have copied a is equal to this. My intention is I want to delete the last 2 elements. Then del a of, I can write a of, so -2 column. You can observe here the last 2 elements are deleted. This is how we can use the delete option to delete the multiple elements in the list. But if we want to delete a particular element from the list, I do not want to give the index. We know if I give a dot pop of a particular index, example index 1, then the element 3.8 will be deleted. We know that. But I do not want to give the index. Instead of that, I want to give the value. So I should not give the value 3.8 in the pop. Then error will come. You can observe here error is coming. How can I delete a element 3.8 without mentioning the index? That is possible by using the remove option. A dot remove, I am telling remove the 3.8. Now the 3.8 will be removed from the list. Now you can observe there are only 2 elements are left. Now I am mentioning a dot remove some 2.7. So only one element will be left in the list. Now I am mentioning a dot remove 4 minus 2j. Now the list will become empty. This is how we can delete a particular element in the list by mentioning the value instead of mentioning the index.